Hi, my name is Antonio Newton of the Newton Group with Coldwell Banker, and welcome to September's Market Stat for 2021. Today, we're discussing market stats for September 2021 for Kershaw County. Now remember, these are only single-family residential homes for Kershaw County, so these wouldn't include any kind of townhouses, patio homes, condos, or anything like that. Just Kershaw County market stats for September 2021 single-family residential homes. Before we jump into today's video, please don't forget that you can catch all of our video content on our YouTube channel at Antonio Newton Realtor. There you will find over 100 videos where we have all of our market stats videos, our Time to Talk Tuesday series, and our interview series After Coffee. There's over 100 videos just for you, the consumer, that are free just to get you information that you need. You can also connect with us on Facebook and various social media platforms as well. And please comment, let us know what you think about the video. Let us know if there's something that you want us to specifically discuss or go over. And don't forget to hit that bell so that way you get notified anytime we release new video content. And I'd also like to take this time and thank our sponsors, Columbia Northeast Homeshow.com, as well as Better Way Properties. Thank you so much for your sponsorship and your continued support. So let's dive in. So Kershaw County for the month of September has been on fire. Transactions are up 40% from what we did last year. Now keep in mind, all these numbers are post-COVID. We've been in this COVID pandemic for over a year now. So, and as a perspective, we've been in the seller's market for over a year as well. Now things can still increase and decrease in the seller's market, but keep in mind, all these numbers are still referencing from last year, which was obviously post-COVID, but still a seller's market. So for the month of September, we had 109 transactions, closed transactions, which was up 40% from September of 2020, where we did 78. The average sales price went up 9%. Now, even though that's not as much as we've been seeing in a year to date over the past couple of months, it's still above what the normal average is. The normal average appreciation of the year is anywhere between 3 and 7%. So to still outpace that at 9%, it's still, you're gaining equity, you're gaining wealth, and you're beating inflation. So the average sale price this year was $263,703 compared to last year where it was $242,192. And then you see we are actually up in Kershaw County in terms of available inventory. We're up 5%, 220 homes versus 210. And that's because Kershaw County is growing so tremendous. You don't see this in the other markets around in our MLS area, but you see this in Kershaw County because, one, there's a lot of new construction going in Kershaw County right now. And so that influx of inventory is helping Kershaw County to have a plus side on the inventory margin versus being on the underside. But of course, looking at the market, what are our two determining factors that we constantly bring up? One, days on the market, and then two, average sales price to list price, because that tells you how quickly the market is responding to the inventory and at what price are they willing to pay for the inventory. So when you look at this month, September 21, 16 days on the market is the average, and it is at 99.97%. So just under 100% in 16 days on the market. So what was in August? August, it was 15 days on the market. So things are selling 1 day slower for the month of September, but the price that sellers are getting is a little bit higher. So in August, they were getting 99.33%. Now they're getting 99.97%. And when you compare that to what was going on last year, the average days on the market was 49, and they were getting 96.6%. Now, if you would ask the seller before we hit this hyper-aggressive seller's market, if they'd be happy with their home selling in less than 2 months and they getting 96% of their list price, I'm sure the majority of the sellers would have took that bargain. So what we were doing last year was great, and now we're even better. Even though we've seen it slow down in terms of days on the market, we're 1 day slower now, but we also see that the price that sellers are getting is more at 99. Once again, 99.9. Make sure I've got the right stat. 99.97%. So when you look at this graph here for Kershaw County, you will see where the biggest bottleneck is in the inventory chain. Look at what's going on at the 200 to 300,000 price range, and really even at the 100 to 200. At 200 to 300, there's 142 pending transactions and only 45 available listings. So if half those transactions, half of those 142 got multiple offers, that is 71 people fighting for 45 available homes. So you can see how, once again, this price keeps going up. But as you see, things kind of balance out as you get higher. So when you look at the 300 to 400,000 price range, not as big as a discrepancy. 37 active, 71 pending, 16 closed. But look at the 400 to 500, only 4 active with 20 pending. Only 4 active properties between 400 and 500,000. So this graph really helps us break down and see where the price points are that is having the biggest, most competition, which is helping increase this value. So what does this video mean for you? That largely depends on your specific situation. It would be highly unfair and unreasonable for me to tell you specifically how you can utilize this information and this data. But what we can do is invite you to reach out. You can leave a comment in this video, you can text, or you can email me. And if you're real of interest, you can give me a call and I'll carve out time to address any of your real estate needs or concerns. And if you're wondering, we can help anybody, anywhere. All you have to do is reach out. So until next time, be safe, and don't forget, I am Antonio Newton, your local realtor with the Newton Group at Coldwell Banker.